Don't make me come out there. G'day all, I'm Chris from Built by Chris. You might remember me from such classics as building drawers for my van or unboxing my TSLS32 positioner. I'm just here to show you a little tip on the Magswitch. Now if you remember from my first video on the Magswitch, and if you want to look at that, there's a link around there somewhere. The principle of the Magswitch is that you can place it anywhere on your table saw, lock it down, and it's ready to go. Like your featherboards are ready to go. It's just that easy. But I've got a little tip for you. Now we all know how easy it is to use Magswitch. Just plonk it down, away you go. If you want other attachments to it, I've shown you before how easy they are to attach, but if you can't be bothered with any of that, here's a small solution for you. You do need to start with the starter kit. It comes with the magnets and they're removable. And to save yourself a little bit of time and money, all you need to buy is just the universal base. And you can take those magnets out and pop them into your new base, and you can leave that new base on your router table, on your bandsaw, on your jointer, wherever. And you can have multiple bases for multiple uses on all your tools. Now to pull these magnets out, it's very, very simple. Just a couple of bolts here. I've already loosened these. There's one I did earlier. All they do is they unscrew and pop straight out, as easy as that. And they fit into the universal base. So as usual, if you need more information, there's a link down here. Check it out, please subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.